welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on second type of basic operations on sets, that is intersection of sets. Okay, in the previous video we discussed on first type of sets, right, that is union of sets, and with examples and the same sums with the help of Venn diagrams, right. Today we are going to discuss on second type of basic operations on sets, that is intersection of sets. Let's start. See guys, in the previous video we discussed on union of sets, right. Now we are going to discuss on intersection of sets. Intersection is nothing but the common among the sets, okay, which is repeated, which is the most repeated value in nothing but the intersection, or the most common value. Okay, so when we are talking about the Venn diagrams about the intersection of sets, so this is a representation, guys. So rectangle is a universal set denoted by mu, okay, and here we are talking about the two sets. So here A comma B are the two sets. A and B, A circle A and circle B are two sets. Nothing but those two sets are the part of mu, part of universal set. Okay, what is this shaded part here? So among these two circles, the shaded part is the common region between set A and set B. Okay na guys, ikkada circle A and circle B both are parts of mu here. Okay na, ikkada middle లో షేడ్ అయిన రీజియన్ ఏంటంటే రెండు సెట్స్లో కామన్గా ఉన్న రీజియన్ షేర్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఆ షేర్ చేసిన పార్ట్ని ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, కామన్గా రిపీట్ అయిన వాల్యూస్ని మనం ఈ మిడిల్ రీజియన్లో రాస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ అ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, బట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో in the previous union of sets we discussed one more concept, right, that is, okay, before going to that, let's see one example here. Okay, what is given? Let us consider the example of students who are absent. Now let us find the set L that represents the students who are absent on both Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, we have to find the data using sets that the students who were absent on Tuesday and Wednesday, both the days, those who were absent, we have to collect the data. Okay, in that, who were absent on both the days, Ramu is absent on the day, right. So how can we represent the information using set form? Nothing but set builder form. This is a set builder form. Okay, actually the intersection of sets is denoted by A and B, denoted by, it looks like N but read as intersection or and. Okay guys, now A intersection B can be symbolically represented using set builder form as x colon x belongs to A. Okay, the set A, it belongs to A and x belongs to B. Okay, here x is belongs to A and B, where intersection you have to denote with and. Okay, whereas for union you have to keep or, the same representation, but here you will keep or in place of and. Okay, intersection of two sets ante common ga unna elements ni మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం సెట్స్లో. అండ్ ఇక్కడ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మేట్ ఎలా రాస్తాం ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ని? ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు open brackets x colon x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Very important guys, this one maybe ask for 1 mark or for blanks. Okay, union kala rastam A union B equal to x colon x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Okay na? Now we will see one example here. What is given here? Find A intersection B when set A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now first write down what are the given sets. Given sets are A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. And to find A intersection B. Okay, what is the commonly repeated elements in both the sets? Okay, now in the first set we have 5, 6, 7, 8 and in the second set we have 7, 8, 9, 10. You observe that in the both the sets which elements are repeated here. 7 and 8 is repeated in both the sets, right? Therefore 7 and 8 are the commonly repeated values, so that will be the intersection of the given sets. Coming to a sum here, how to write the steps? Okay, just you have to write the A set here, intersection, right, B set, and write down which elements are mostly repeated in both the sets. That one you mention here. That's it. And same sum we will do with the help of Venn diagram, guys. How we can do the same sum with the help of Venn diagram?